Let's be real, API tokens are expensive and writing custom upload logic for LinkedIn is a nightmare. But what if you could automate the entire pipeline from brainstorming to image generating to post for $0? Today I'm gonna show you how to turn Automa browser extension into your first social media manager. We're gonna bridge Google, Gemini, and Grok to create and post content while you drink coffee. No credit, no subscription, no regrets. The biggest pain point with the traditional automation like Zapier or Make the cost. If the AI gives you a bad response, you still paid for the token. With this Automa workflow, if the output is not right, you just hit run again. It's local, it's free, and it's under your control. First, we trigger Automa to head over to Gemini. We'll just feed it prompt to generate our content bundle, the post text, the hashtag, and specific image prompt designed for Grok. Automa will scrap these responses and store them as a variable. Now Automa jump over the Grok. It pastes that image prompt we just got from the Gemini. Once the image is generated, Automa will click or download button. If you saw the pop-up for save image, just click on it. Finally, home stretch. Automa, Automa navigate to LinkedIn. It clicks start a post, select media, and grab our freshly downloaded image. Then it pastes the text and hashtag Gemini wrote for us earlier. And just like that, a complete AI generated post live on LinkedIn without spending a single cent on API calls. You can schedule this run every morning or trigger it with a shortcut. If you want to workflow JSON file to import this into your own Automa extension, let me know in the comments. Don't forget like and subscribe for more virtual automation.